Add up the bread and bring it to the family. You know the circle, me divide that.
Yeah, what style, man, for your device? I don't know, so I want fully brave God Skeleton, then I represent for Soji TV Entertainment. I mean, I say, yo, alright, that's the artists and the baddest review them, man, you hear me? Yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, you know, click the notification bell to get notified fully.
I reach overnight, I what them do when I pray.
Top of the morning, viewers and subscribers, how you all doing? You know, today they drop a single title, Larger Than Life. I want to know guys to go over there, go give my listening ears. They don't know that the artist is a promising artist. Me review him already with the next artist, and now me review him by himself. You see me? He's an artist where me I watch in music video them and me I listen him song them, and the artist is a smooth DJ, sing JS artist. Yes, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. No joke. I mean, I say, yo, I want to know guys to go give him the support, you know, make him know, say, me sending him over there. Soji TV Entertainment. Go over in Vivo. You can find him at Dead Music over YouTube. You see it, you can go give him a listening here. This note him song them when he got viewers and subscribers because the artist I do the right thing. You see, pray. Yes, man, and you must stay consistent. I don't know, say that me look for in an artist, you know. You see me, consistentness, you see, cause from no put in the work, me I get work to do. Me tired of telling you that viewers and subscribers. Some want to share up the artist them to somehow no bad engineer and producer them who know about no put, you know, because me know say we no have a people them we can support the artist them when me a review. As you can see, me review artists when I get the breakthrough fully yet, but them a put in the work like them some big niche already that we show you say when they get the breakthrough they know how to dealt with them things. So I want to know help Soji TV Entertainment send out the artist them viewers and subscribers. See free, watch the artist video, listening song, you see me, get the concept of what artists are say and see if him ready for you out there because we don't see say artists ready for you out there, you know, but I people them grade the people them in this world that want to see it. I don't know if you could grade me too. You see, pre, someone I want to know guys to share up my thing as well so my thing can reach 1,000 subscribers. That's my aim right now. You see me, I put in your work views and subscriber. You know, I love alone, you know, you see me, and that music we love. You don't know that already too. Someone to know guys we just do the right thing and support Soji TV Entertainment. You know more appreciate that said we support the artists them and see if we can push the artists them on a different scale, a bigger scale. You see pre you don't know Soji Entertainment they are do it from the heart, you know. You see me? And that we they are do. Someone to know guys we just listen piece more the song. You see me? And we talk again, no joke.
Y'all who never used to pray me, I move like a beat and I run them for China.
Yeah, artist I say, first and foremost, me have to big up the man where vice the artist, big up yourself cheeky than music, you see me, big up the videographer said we a engineer, you see me, big up in team, the whole place, you see pre now, I mean I say I want to know guys to go give their support, you know man, you see me, I'm gonna leave this song title pin in the comment section so you guys can tap on you wanna listen to review, you see pre. Yes, man. The sky is the limit, you know. You don't know we in it to win it. You see it. I want to know guys to have a productive day and now be safe. You see me? Yeah, man. Nobody go play no loose ball out there, you know, my people. Then you see me? So I want to know if you subscribe if you don't haven't subscribed. Like, share up Soji TV Entertainment. Review them. You see me? And you can listen out the artists them when we review said we if you can support them in a bigger farm and support them said way, you see me? No joke, man. And you can find me social media platform at at TikTok, Soji underscore TV, Instagram, you can find me Soji underscore TV, said we you can reach out to me now and you don't know a thing and let me know if me have do the right thing. You see me, you can send artists to me, we underground same way. We not get the breakthrough yet. Do review for them, check them out and see if them are go on good or if them are be persistent and do my part. You see, pray. Some want to know guys say big up on yourself, man, and so the TV Entertainment appreciate you all. 100.
Man want to do this all of my life. With the cars and